Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Many of you probably know obedient plant. Physostegia is the scientific name. This is Physostegia virginianum, but Physostegia is normally a rampant spreader. If you have room for it, fine, but most of us don't have room for something that spreads far and wide. But this is a selection called Pink Manners. There's also Miss Manners, which has white flower, but this is Pink Manners. And these plants were planted in 2024. So they had the summer of 2024 and 2025 and this first half of 26 to spread. And let me show you the crown of the plant. It is, the whole crown of the plant is only about a foot across. So it is being very mannerly. And why would I care about that? Because Physostegia is blooming in the heat of summer. It blooms for an extended period of time. You might notice it's very popular with a lot of pollinators. I also have worked in gardens that were thick with deer and they never touched the Physostegia, the obedient plant. Someone out there is screaming they eat it in my garden, but my experience was we have some deer in the garden and I've never seen the deer munch on a Physostegia. And if you don't know why it's called obedient plant, if you have a forceful personality, you can take one of the flowers and move it around on the stem and tell it to stay, and it'll stay where you put it. So let's demonstrate that again. Just push it around on that, but that didn't behave all that well. Don't have quite a forceful enough personality. There we go. Maybe these younger flowers are a little bit more compliant. It's a really, really curious aspect of this plant, but fun to show somebody, make them realize the world of plants is endlessly fascinating. It seems to be fascinating this great big carpenter bee there. But and the carpenter bees are too big to enter the throat of the flowers, so they tear a hole at the base of the flowers and obtain the nectar that way. Now the carpenter bees look almost identical to the bumblebees, but the bumblebees are about the size of this third segment of a carpenter bee's body. And, there's one of our native bumblebees, I believe. Yeah, see, they're a lot smaller. They're really precious little things. Now, generally, insects visiting flowers are so focused on obtaining a good meal that they are not at all interested in us nosy humans interrupting their foraging. But Physostegia mismannered, because it's not spreading, you don't have the maintenance of having to restrain its spread through the garden. The only maintenance it needs is at some point after frost, cut it to the ground. I don't think it remains terribly attractive through the winter months, so if you're tidy, cut it down right away or leave it standing all winter. Maybe some insects will overwinter in the dead stems, but certainly by late winter you'll want to cut the stems down to the ground. So Physostegia Pink Manners, a great long summer blooming native herbaceous perennial. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.